Alright, today we're going to talk about the mean, median, the mode, and the range. Okay? The mean, median, mode, and the range. First I'm going to show you how to do it, then I'm going to explain kind of what it is. Now, this is called a set of data. Okay? And up here it says find the mean, median, mode, and it doesn't say range, but on all of them I want you to also find the range. Okay, I'm going to explain in just a second what each of them are. Alright, so this is our set of data. They want us to find the mean, median, mode, and what? The range. Okay? How many 10s do I have? 1 10. See, each one of these little X's means you have one of this number. So how many 11s do I have? 3 11s. Any 12s? 2 13s. 14. 2 15s. Any 16s or 17s? No, I got an 18, I got a 19, and I got a 20. So this is my set of data, of which they want me to find the mean, median, the mode, and the range. Can anybody tell me what the mean is? The mean is the average. So if you want the average of something, Patrick, that means you take them all and add them up and divide by what? No. How many numbers there are. Okay? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 numbers. So I'm going to add them all up and I'm going to divide them by 12, and whatever that is, that's my mean. Mean means the same thing as what? Say average. Okay? So when I add all these up, what do I get? What is it? 156. Okay, so when I added 10 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 13, 13, 14, 15, 15, 18, 19, and 20, when I added them all together, I got 156. There's 12 total, so I divide by how many there are. And what is my average? 13. So that's your mean. Remember, mean means the what? Average. The median is one of the easiest things because it doesn't take any kind of math skills to do the median. Y'all know in the road, that yellow line in the middle, it's called the what? The median. It's called the median. A lot of people say the middle line, but it's the median. It's the median, and it's right in the what of the road? In the middle. Okay? So the median of the set of data is going to be which number? The middle number. The way I get the middle number is I cross out the first number and the last number. And then I do it again. First and last. And I do it all the way till there's a middle number. Well, now, is this an odd or an even amount of numbers? Even. So there's going to be 2 in the middle. And I'll have to find the average of those 2. Okay? So I'm going to cross out the first one and the last one. Now, what's left? The first and the last. Of what's left? The first and the last. Which leaves me 2 middle numbers, doesn't it? Now, you have to have an equal number of numbers crossed out on the left as are crossed out on the right. Now, what's the middle of 13 and 14? 13.5. That's 13.5. Very good. I could have just added up. 13 plus 14 divided by 2. Because there's 2 of them. And that's 13.5. So my median, which is the middle number, equals what? 13.5. 13.5. Nice job. So the median is the middle number. Now remember, for it to be the middle number, you must have it in order from least to greatest. Did you hear that? Look at me if you don't remember anything else. In order for you to do the median, you first have to put it in order from what to what? Least to greatest. The next thing they want us to find is the mode. Mode is simple. All mode is which one is there the most. So just pick out which one has the most. 11 does. So what's the mode? 11. So when you hear mode, you should think the most. The mode is 11. That's pretty easy, isn't it? And range is the easiest one to find. If you think range is like how spread out is it? That's what range means. So in order for us to figure out how spread out it is, you take the biggest number, 20, and you subtract the littlest number, which is 10, and the range is the answer. So what's 20 minus 10? So what does the range equal? 10. Okay, so let's review. The mean is the average. Say it. The mean is the average. No. I'm gonna say it. You repeat everything I said after I'm done. The mean is the average. Okay. What's the median? The middle number. What's the mode? The one that occurs the most. Think mode, most. And range, you do what? Biggest minus the smallest. Now we have a set of data here, and we want the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. The first thing I have to do before I do the mean, the median, the mode, and the range is what? What is this called right here? What's all my numbers called? Say the set. It's called the set of data. Say it. Come on, you can say it louder than that. The set of data. Okay? So we have to put the set of data in order from what to what? Least to greatest. So the smallest number we have here is 2. So I'm writing down 2. Then the next one is 3. So I'm going to write down 3. Then 4. And how many 4s are there? 2 4s. I write them both down. Then 5. Is there just one 5? And then 3 6s. Is that right? 1, 2, 3. And then an 8 and a 9. Okay? So there's our set of data in order from least to greatest. The first thing I want to find is the mean. Okay? The mean is the what? The average. So when you add all these up, what is it? 53? And how many of them are there? 10. So I do 53 divided by 10. And that equals 5.3, which is my mean. Okay? Then the median is which one? The median is the middle one. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to start crossing them out. First one, last one. First one, last one. First, last, first, last. And there's 2 in the middle. What's the middle of 5 and 6? 5.5. So the median is 5.5. Okay, the mode is the one that occurs the most often. Which one occurs the most often? The number 6 does 3 times, so it's the mode. And the last one is the range. How is it that we find the range? The biggest one minus the smallest one, which is 7. So our mean was 5.3, our median was 5.5, the mode was 6, and the range was 7. Okay? So today you learned how to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. Remember, the mean was the average, the median was the middle number, the mode was the number that occurred the most often, and the range was the biggest minus the smallest.